In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. Begin by finding an app called Files that's already on your device. When you find it, click on it. Then select Browse at the bottom right corner. Select Phone over here and look for a download folder. Click on it. And as you can see, after that, I can access all of my downloaded files. To open one, click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!